Look out. I got you. Be on YouTube.
Huh?
You be on YouTube.
What's that?
My YouTube channel. Look out racing.
Definitely.
Yeah, it's going. I was flying the drone early.
Okay.
You can catch the drone footage.
All right.
Look out. That's it right there. Let me make sure. I still got some cars there. This is my YouTube channel. Yeah. Already here. Let me give it to somebody that needs it. You on, I'm finna give it to somebody who you on there. You on my channel? Y'all on my YouTube channel?
Yeah, I be on the YouTube.
Where? Okay.
Let me get one more.
There you go. Okay, you need one too?
Get another.
There you go. You already on there, man. Give it to somebody that ain't subscribed. I'm running low now. Give it to somebody. Somebody ain't subscribed. Hey, man, you on my YouTube channel? That's it. Appreciate it. You on my YouTube channel? Y'all on there? I was one flying the drone earlier. Let me get. Hey, look out. You know about the QR code? You don't know how to work that? Look out, look out. Hey, how y'all doing, man? Oh, you already on my channel, probably. Okay, what you want to say? Go on, say what you got to say then.
Really enjoying myself.
Yeah.
And scared to bet. Yeah, that's what he said.
Scared to bet. Hey, what a drink at, man, and the food at?
He got it.
He got.
Okay, my brother right there, Mudbone. He got.
Mudbone from Richard Pryor?
No, he from Polk County, from Florida.
Oh, okay. I thought he was that's the one.
All the food right there, so if you want to buy anything, you can go and buy it. And if it's short, I'll make it up.
Okay, that ain't the one Miss Rudolph. Oh. God damn. Oh, Lordy, we have a fire. Y'all think he should make, can he make a full pass? He put on try it anyway. Damn. He finna do it anyway, y'all. Y'all bet he make a full pass or what? Huh? Look out, right? Yeah, that's my YouTube channel. I was trying to ask him, do he know how to operate the QR code? He said no. I thought they've been knowing how to do everything. They've been learning too early, man. I don't know. That's why I had to ask. Yeah, I had to ask. I asked him, hey, look out, man. You know how to operate this? He said no. But his daddy do, so he pointed up for me. He said somebody better go do. Racing car. Hey. Oh, they done turned it off. Don't worry about it. Okay, he got it. He in the game, y'all. Hey, look out, y'all got my,
Your man dead. I'm taking
y'all got my card.
Your man dead.
Oh, man.
My man fired up. Your man dead. I'm taking you. Huh.
1 that. Well, I'm hungry. What I want today? I want me something good now. Something. I wonder what they got left around here. Look out. Oh, yeah, I think they were down here somewhere. Well, they smoking some good. Look out, man.
What happened that run?
Look, what happened that wrong?
Did the car pull up to the beam?
Nah, that car didn't pull up to the beam. That car ain't pull up to the beam. That car was already off. Nah, that car was off over there. The car was off. He was off. When that car went there, y'all didn't hear that car was off?
Yeah, it was
he
off.
never crunk up.
Yeah, he went to
How he gonna be in the beams?
Give me my money.
He said, give me my money, man. Look
They
out.
be on your YouTube.
Yeah, you on my channel. I already gave you a call.
You gave me a call. Hey, we from goddamn Greenboro, Alabama.
Oh, Greenboro?
We done came down here. Shout out to Hubbard
Yeah.
Jones. Playing for the New Orleans Pelicans.
Okay.
I raised that boy in goddamn youth league. He doing his thing in basketball.
For
We
real?
down here showing out for Greenboro. Small town.
Yeah.
Small
And
town.
you raised them.
Small town.
Okay.
Small town.
Okay. Hey, what you got? What you had in that cup? Was it something good?
What you want?
What y'all got?
What you want?
Some vodka and some pineapple or some cranberry or
I got
something.
some Crown and beer in here. What
Crown
you
and beer? I ain't messing with that right now. I don't drink beer.
He drunk up all the vodka.
Oh, he did? Oh, that's why
My
he
big
got
brother-
both
my big
arms
brother
on the
Ken
fence.
done
He
drunk
can't.
up. He shot to the camera.
Where the food at?
What the food? Hey, they got some good food back there.
Oh, yeah? I'm finna get back there.
Hold it.
Hold up.
I'm from Virginia. I come all the way down here. Come every year.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Richmond, Virginia.
Richmond, Virginia?
Right.
What? You having a good time?
Yeah, I'm having a good time.
Already.
Yeah, I'm having a good time.
Already. Glad to have you.
Yeah.
Glad to have you.
Yeah.
I'm finna find me
I don't have no vodka, but
I'm finna go find me an old link sandwich or something, man.
you know what?
A link sandwich? I need me a link sandwich. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel?
Yeah, we already.
I already gave you 1 2 minutes.
Yeah.
What about y'all? Y'all on there? Oh, y'all together?
Yeah, we
Hit the
together.
QR code right there.
Okay,
On the
we'll
back,
look it up.
it take you straight to it. Everything, you'll be on there.
Okay.
I'll be live in there. I was flying the drone early. You seen the
Where
drone?
you from?
Dallas,
Dallas.
Texas.
Oh.
Hey, y'all
I
seen
lived
the
in
drone?
Dallas. I lived off of 635 in Spring Valley Road.
Oh, I know what that said. I used to be over there.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. You had a job over there?
Yeah.
Where you worked at? You had a good job over there. She had a good job. I knew if she was living over there, she had a good job, y'all. Did you go to college? You went to college?
I did.
Oh, she went to college, y'all. You gotta go to college to live over there.